Invisible yet potent, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our world, and nowhere is this more evident than in the realm of robotics. Imagine a world where robots aren't mere tools, but intelligent entities capable of learning, adapting, and problem-solving. Welcome to the future, a future where AI-driven robots are transforming industries from healthcare to space exploration. In the blink of an eye, these smart machines assess their environment, make decisions, and execute actions. No scripts, no pre-programming, just pure, untethered intelligence. It's not science fiction, it's reality. Robots are now surgeons, performing intricate procedures with precision. They're astronauts, exploring the farthest reaches of space. They're even teachers, personalizing education for every learner. But this is just the beginning. As we unlock the full potential of AI, we're paving the way for a new era of innovation, where robots are not just machines, but partners in progress. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Step into this brave new world and witness the dawn of a new age in robotics.